Have you ever installed Internet Download Manager only to realize its Chrome extension is missing? Whether it's due to installation errors or an accidental deletion, it can be really frustrating. Hi, I'm Neba. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add the IDM Integration Module to your Google Chrome browser quickly and easily. The IDM Integration Module is an essential browser add-on that lets you download files directly with IDM by simply right-clicking on a link and selecting Download with IDM. Without this extension, IDM can't automatically capture downloads when you click to download something in Chrome. Usually, you'd install extensions from the Chrome Web Store, but here's the catch. The IDM Integration Module isn't searchable there. According to IDM's official website,
our extension is hidden on Google Store and it cannot be searched as well. This is made by design because there is no sense in installing the extension without IDM. Also, the extension should be installed automatically during IDM installation. If the extension is not installed automatically, then install the IDM Integration Module extension from Chrome Web Store using the direct link below.
So, here's how to install the IDM Integration Module. Go to Google and search Download IDM extension for Chrome. Select the first search result linking to Internet Download Manager's official website. Scroll down and click the direct link to the extension from the Chrome Store web page. Once on the page, click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. When the extension is successfully added, you'll see a message saying IDM Integration Module has been added to Chrome.